pushing my plate away. I'm pushing my plate away. Not because food is the problem. I just need you more than another meal. Looking for clarity when my thoughts run wild. Looking for connection when this world leaves me empty. Looking for direction. I don't want another step unless you're leading. Take this hunger and wake my spirit. I'm pushing my weight away to make room for you. Every morning starts with another notification, another headline, another opinion, another reason to be afraid. I've been feeding my anxiety 3 meals a day. Fear gets breakfast, stress gets lunch, overthinking never misses dinner. No wonder my soul still feels hungry. Was never meant for food. Maybe my spirit has been waiting for my flesh to get quiet. I'm pushing my plate away. Not because food is the problem. I just need you more than another meal. Looking for clarity, looking for connection, looking for direction. Feed my spirit until your voice is louder than every craving. Pushing my plate away to make room for you. Everybody's consuming, nobody's healing. We're drowning in entertainment, buying peace that never lasts. I've chased enough to know nothing fills the space where only you belong. Bills keep coming, the future feels uncertain. People I love are carrying heavy burdens, and honestly I'm tired not of living, just trying to carry life without you. So before I ask you to change my situation, change me. I'm pushing my plate away. Pushing my plate. I'm pushing my plate away. I'm trading comfort for communion, trading distractions for your presence. If an empty stomach helps me hear your voice again, then let it growl. Because I'd rather hunger for a moment than spend another year too full of the world to recognize your voice. I'm pushing my plate away. Looking for clarity, looking for connection, looking for direction, looking for direction. And I